Today's video is my monthly update for Deck of Panning. I'm super excited. This panning project is the brainchild of Emily and Max. I will have Emily's channel linked down below with all of the information that you need in case you're interested in joining this panning project. This panning project is played with a deck of cards. There is a game board. The board is shuffled every month. You shuffle your cards, pick cards. The cards coincide with a prompt. You take that prompt and use that to pull your products, and then you set your usage goals. This month I have 3 prompts rolling out, so I will be drawing 3 cards. Let me show you what products I am rolling out. For the 4 of Spades, which was for the prompt Dethroned, I pulled this L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler. When I first started this journey, I bought this product and I absolutely loved it, and so now it is very nostalgic for me. The smell of this product I find it comforting, because that was when I first started doing my skincare and showing myself some self-love. But it has been dethroned because I have found other products that are a little bit better for my skin than this. This is still a really good product, but I rolled this in for 5 uses and I have used it 5 times. The next item is this e.l.f. Lash and Roll. This was for the 2 of Diamonds, which was whole collection roulette. So I chose mascaras actually to do the roulette on because my whole collection is enormous. And I rolled this in for 10 uses and I have used it 10 times. It is a very nice product. For the 2 of Hearts, that was a product that has sentimental value, and so I picked these Wet n Wild Mega Glow eyeshadow trios. I pulled all 4 of these in to use 2 times, and I used each of them two times. These little palettes were given to me in the collection. It came in a box that some friends of mine bought for me so that I could unbox it and do a tutorial, a Wet n Wild full face tutorial when I first started my channel. So these have an awesome memory for me. They hold a very sentimental value and I will never get rid of them. Products that are not rolling out, I have the ABH Clear Brow Gel. This was for 2 of Spades, collecting cobwebs. I used to use this all the time, and then I use a tinted brow gel, so I really didn't have a need for this. I rolled this in for 10 uses and I have used it 6 times. Also staying in the project is my Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Lash Primer. I love this lash primer. This was for card 3 of Spades and it was for a primer, so I chose this lash primer. I set a goal of 10 uses and I have used it 8 times. That will be rolling out by the next go round, the next update. For the 3 of Diamonds, which was a splurge item, I rolled in this House Labs Eye Library Volume 2, the Super Neutrals. It is a beautiful little palette and I have used it, but I have not used it not one time. For this project, I rolled it in for 5 uses and I have used it 0. So that will be staying in. So that means that I need to pick 3 cards. Here is my deck of cards. They are the Fae. Love them. Love the artwork on these cards. And here's my Joker, and I'm going to put that there in the middle. And I am going to shuffle. Y'all let me know down in the comments if you are doing the deck of panning. It was one of the very first panning projects that I started, and I really am enjoying it. It is a nice project. I like to see what the new board is going to look like, so I'm going to shuffle them this way a couple of times. And then I'm going to cut them. And now I need to draw 3 cards. We have the 5 of Spades, the 5 of Hearts, and the Queen of Hearts. So I am going to see what those prompts are, pull the products, and then I will be right back. For the Queen of Hearts, that prompt is pick your space, which I am super excited about. So I picked blush because I have one blush right now that I am working on, and to be honest with you, I'm kind of tired of using it. I mean, it's on another painting project, so I have to keep using it, but like, I need another blush. I need a blush for 500 Alex. So I picked this MAC. This is Rosie Does It. It's a glow play blush, and I absolutely love this blush. It is amazing. It's so creamy, and I just love it. Love it, love it. It just turns into this silky powder. It is a wonderful blush. I'm excited about that. I'm going to roll that in for 10 uses. For the 5 of clubs, did I say spades earlier? This is the 5 of clubs. It is for the prompt foundation, and the universe is with me today because I was just thinking that I needed to pull a powdered foundation into one of my painting projects, and here we are. So I picked the Estee Lauder. This is Double Wear Stay in Place Matte Powder Foundation in 3-in-1 Ivory Beige, and I love this powdered foundation. I have not used this in a while, so I'm looking forward to using this. I am going to roll this in for 10 uses as well. For the 5 of Hearts, that prompt was metallic, and immediately my brain said that I needed to pull this metallic eyeliner. And I was thinking about this the other day too, that I'm not using my eyeliners as much as I should. This is the Milani Metallic Lights, and it is in the shade Blu-ray. It is a beautiful metallic. Look at how pretty that is. Beautiful. I am going to roll this in for 10 uses as well. So that is my update for Deck of Panning for February. I'm super excited about the 3 products that I was able to roll in. I will be concentrating this time on using this palette to see if I can't get my usage in on that, and I'm excited that I didn't get that daggone Joker. Like I said, I will have all the information listed down below, and I will have Emily and Mac's channel listed so that you can go check her out. I think this is the 3rd year of Deck of Panning. I really do enjoy this project. Before you go check out Emily and Mac's, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, love you, bye. Christopher, here is your makeup tip from your mama. When in doubt, rock the au naturel look. It's French for I woke up like this. Mama loves you, boo.